All right, this is one of those crazy moments where I booked a flight an hour ago. I woke up today in Hanoi, it's 12 degrees. The weather forecast for the rest of the week was not going to be good, so I booked a flight to Phu Quoc Island. I've never been there. I don't have that much longer left in Vietnam, and I thought 50 Australian dollars, so why not? Here I am at the airport. Let's go. It's kind of weird because there's like no traffic lights. It's like the fake Venice in Hanoi. Alright, got me some bun cha for 60k. It's like meat balls in this kind of dish with vermicelli rice, and you mix it all together and eat it. And then I'm gonna go explore a bit of this fake Europe Venice place at night. So there's a place like this in Hanoi, but this kind of takes it to the next level. And then they have this giant cable car. But yeah, I've just arrived tonight, checked into a hostel for once because I had really good reviews, and it's on this side of the island where I wanted to see the fake Europe. I am on Phu Quoc. I flew, is it Phu Quoc Airlines? I don't know. For a budget airline, super impressed. It didn't have anything fancy, but it just looked like new, modern. All the stewardesses, the staff, should I say, were really nice, were really friendly. You got food, you got luggage. It was 50 Australian dollars for the flight here. Pretty impressed with that. And I booked it, like I made the decision to come here an hour before coming here. I was just sitting at home, the weather was cold, it's 12 degrees, and I was like, you know what? I've wanted to come here for a while, and I'm leaving shortly. My time in Vietnam is almost up. Now that's not to say my time is over. I'm definitely coming back, maybe for a while, but it's a big year for me. I have a project, a personal project to finish, work, reality, you know. All that stories aside, I'm in Phu Quoc. And yeah, I don't know what to think of it yet. I'm in like one of these new areas where every building looks the same, but I'm gonna walk down towards the promenade of where this kind of fake Europe is, so we'll see what's there. I totally did not expect this to be so crowded once I got down here. Honestly, I thought it was going to be quiet like the main street, but it's gone off. I mean, it is, I think it's a Thursday night. I lose track of the days. I just ate dinner, but I'm walking down here and there's all this, like, if you want to call it street food or side little corner shop food and alcohol. But I'm being good. I had to have a bit of an inner argument with myself. I told myself that I'd spend the next 12 days just working out hard. And then I woke up this morning just feeling garbage, unmotivated, cold, grey. I'd finished all of my work that isn't creating videos like this, all of my client work. So I was like, oh, I'm finally free. So whatever, all right, I'm gonna just do something random for myself. So I came here. I said, all right, at least here I could swim. Because that was the first thing I did when I woke up. I looked up like heated pools in Hanoi. and there wasn't exactly many options. So I flew to an island, and here we are. I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt. It's great. I used to be a street performer. Fire dancer though. It's a little fake Europe. Well, at least I'm getting my steps in. There's literally a place called Nice Pub. When I was in Japan, in Okinawa, there was a town called the American Village. And that kind of looks a bit like this. If anyone's been to Okinawa, American Village, and then they'll come here, tell me, do you think it shares similar qualities? The Okinawa one is a bit cooler. Like, it's so tacky that it's good, whereas this is like not tacky enough, or maybe it's the opposite. But I still enjoy it. Like, I would love to come here with a bunch of friends, or a girlfriend, or a wife, or... I'm sounding sad, aren't I? Pathetic. Okay, so this is the Loop Jacuzzi Bar, and they have a jacuzzi out the front. I mean, yeah. I wonder what it's like during the day. Sun Bavaria. Okay, now we got a German pub, and a Japanese restaurant, and it's just a weird mix of it. Wow, they're wearing German outfits, kind of, like cheap knockoff ones. Here we go. Now we're talking. We're like in some sort of weird Monaco. Phu Quoc, if that's how you pronounce it. You are something at night. I can't wait to see it during the day. Apparently there's some really beautiful beaches on the other side of the island. I guess this video is going to be called Phu Quoc Venice Town at Night Walking Tour. The reality of Phu Quoc Venice at night, I guess. Working title. Whoa. Wow. All these cars are just stuck. I think this might be the weirdest place I've ever been. I think it's even weirder than the Hanoi Venice. I mean, they have a Colosseum here. A Colosseum. Now we have some Roman-inspired pillars, a Venetian tower, oh, and a Starbucks. I swear I've been on like 3 or 4 cable cars now in Vietnam which all claim to be like the longest in the world. Except I've done 3 that have all claimed to be the longest in the world. Maybe like it's longest over some island or maybe there's some technicality behind it. I'll look this up. If anyone knows the answer, fact check me. Sapa, right? I thought that was meant to be the longest cable car. And then they're saying this is the longest cable car. Then I also went to the cable car in Nha Trang, which said, and I'm pretty sure that said that was also one of the longest cable cars. So here's the Sunshine Station. Look, I'm here. Obviously I'm not gonna do it tonight, it's closed, but tomorrow I guess I gotta do it. Vegas. It's the Vietnamese version of Vegas. That is what it is. You got fake Eiffel Towers. Well, not here. Here is the fake Italy. That's the best explanation. Thanks, Ruben. And they do this every night. Fireworks every entire night, apparently. It's nuts. Yeah. Not going up those stairs. All right, well, I think that's about enough of fake Italy, fake Sorrento for the night. I'm gonna head back to my accommodation and get some rest. It's been a wild, weird long day of impulsive, crazy decision making. Could go coffee though.